Hello, this your boy Savan, known as Mr. Thudo from West Dallas. I'm up here in Mexico. They said people been saying that there's been sights of a lost bird. So hell, I know you could call me crazy, but I'm one of the person that like to see it with my own eyes. Okay, back again. So I really want to know if it's really out here. They say it's a flying bird. People say it's an eagle, but people, up here been saying it's a thing that walks and flies. So I'm trying to see if I come across it. Now I know y'all might be thinking, what is he doing out there in the wild? Well, let me tell you. If you can survive in West Dallas, you can survive anywhere. So I'm trying to talk low as I can, but I can't, because never know might come out of here, snake or whatever. Hold on, I got stuff for a minute. I heard something. Y'all hear that? And it's probably just something else. Well, let me continue my journey. I've been walking for 2 days, and still I haven't seen nothing yet. Now, people out there, I advise you not to try this at home or do stuff like this. This is only for main trained people like myself. Man, I thought this was easy. This is hard. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is that? Is that what I think it is? No. Is that a lizard on that tree? Let me get up closer. Damn it. There it goes. Here. You probably didn't see it, but it's right on the floor here. Them damn lizards, they run real fast. Okay, well. Back up. Back on the hunt. I don't hope I don't get lost up here. Hey, I'm just following this trail that people said people be walking here for years, and I still haven't crossed nothing. Well, anyway, back to my story. There was a guy, he's from Mexico. He said in 1988 or 1983, they said in these trails that I'm walking through right now, that there was a couple walking through here, and they say they saw the guy said he said something flying over them, and the next thing you know, he turned his back, and this girl, she just disappeared out the blues. Now I don't know what happened, but the old saying is They say this big old lost bird came and snatched her out the air. But I think it was this lizard. You know, he might be behind that damn blue trash can right there. I'm not for sure, but hell, he probably just wanted a damn beer. Lizard, you want a beer? Oh, he's not in there. Well, anyway, back on the hunt. Man. Man, I don't see how the people that come on TV how they do that. Walk these woods. Yeah. I gotta take a break because I can't slow down now. I want to see this damn creature. Okay. Well, I made it out the wild. What, you go in there? Yeah, that's where I'm at. Well, I haven't seen no sightings, so I'm going to continue on my quest. So for now, to the world, be careful when you look up at the sky. You might see a flying bird, or you might see a lizard flying from the sky. Try to get your beer.